Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss two types of picture. One is scroll picture and the other one is panorama picture. The one is larger on x-axis while the other one is on y-axis. You will shortly see both on the screen. To make scroll picture, you must update your mobile camera, or there are so many free apps available in Play Store. So let's watch it on the screen. Now on number 1 you are watching panoramic picture, and on number 2 is scroll picture, and number 3 is normal picture. So let's go for scroll picture or scroll shot. Open a web, it's larger in length. So we will compile the same in a single picture. Now drop down the menu, quick access, open screenshot. Scroll shot must be selected. Now the picture is automatically on recording. It will automatically scroll up. It's the built-in feature of the scroll picture, and when I'll touch the screen, the picture will stop. So all would be comes in just one picture, but this picture would be too long in length or on its y-axis. Picture is safe. Press save, and now let's stretch it. No pixel broken, it's in very good condition. Open gallery to find it, and this is the picture. Now I'll simply show you as well as will stretch it. The entire is just one picture and easily readable. This is a single picture which enable you to compile more data. Now let's go for panoramic picture. Open camera, go to more, select panorama. Now point your camera on the destination or the starting point, and click the shutter. Now move in the direction of arrow, and you can see that J.Q. Haunted guest house is just in one single picture, the entire guest house. Let's see it. Now you can see that the entire area is in just single picture. You can take multiple screenshots from the single picture. Now let me find it in the gallery. In front of you, it's gallery and it's screenshot. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.